Hi, it's Mahalia Songbird. I want to read this lyric to you. Just it's very short. It says, "O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all thy world thy hands have made, I see the stars and I hear the rolling thunder, the power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art. How great thou art." I'm showing you a picture of Jesus Christ Govinda Singh, and he's great. So I'm going to play this video for you. This is Mahalia Jackson. Now, Eve was Mahalia Jackson in a past life. So let me get this going for you. I might not play the whole song, but I just want you to get the feel of it. I haven't heard this particular version. It's blurry, huh? Well, let's see how it sounds. I guess it's an old one. Yeah, there she goes. She's starting out sounding good. Oh, I don't know if I can play it. It's distorting her face, huh? Well, let's not pay so much attention to the distortion and just hear the feeling. Whoa! She's feeling that, huh? Okay. Whoa. Woo. Yeah. It's coming from her heart. Alright, I'm going to end it. trying to end it and she kept getting better and better. Okay. Yes. Wonderful, Eve. Alright, I'm gonna go now to her mirror. Let's see, I gotta find it. How's it go? Let's see. Elvis. Let's go to Elvis. Elvis. How great thou art. Oh my God, my eye is itching. Do you know what that feels like? Whoa, we're gonna scratch it. Okay. Oh. Woo. It feels good to scratch when you're itching. Okay, how good, where am I? Elvis, how great thou art. This her, I like her too. Susan Boyle. How great thou art, 1972. Impressive, they say, 1972. Very impressive. Alright, we'll go. Almost ready. There he is. Now this is Michael Buble when he was Elvis Presley. And it's Adam when he was Elvis Presley. It's the same soul. Same energy. Okay. Let's see how he does it. They're on the same frequency. He's on her frequency and she's on his. Mahalia Jackson was Eve.
Thank you very much. We'd like to do a gospel song, ladies and gentlemen, we did in 1966 called How Great Thou Art.
Oh, thy hands have made. I hear the rolling thunder. Thy power throughout. The universe displayed. When Christ shall come, and take me home, what joy shall fill my heart? Then I shall bow in humble adoration. And there proclaim, my God, how great thou art. He's feeling too. Yes, Elvis. Yes, Adam. All right. He felt that. Okay. All right, let's stop. Alright, now, let's see, I wrote some words. Note the fro look alike. It looks like my fro around that time. You saw the girl with the fro, the afro? Elvis loved to sing gospel songs so much that after he did his sets, he'd go find the boys and start singing gospel songs. Eve had been the queen of gospel, Mahalia Jackson. Elvis, Adam, Buble, and Eve Mild Red were on the same frequencies. Also, the fact that Elvis' background singers were integrated would have pleased Eve's grandson, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who was all about integration. There's integration right there. Look at that. I never noticed that before. But the whole thing's integrated. It's a black and white thing. And this is Lou Ranziger, who was Dr. Martin Luther King in the past. He was reborn. Dr. King was reborn as my grandson, Lou Ranziger, complete with the fro. Alright, what else did I write? Also, it wasn't planned and it wasn't a coincidence that he had that fro. There's no such thing as a coincidence. I'll show you my fro in the 1960s, early 70s video. I love you, Michelle, yeah, baby. Okay, let's see if I can find that for you. There's a song that my first husband, I love you, Michelle. Yeah, baby. On YouTube, Michelle Birdsong YouTube channel. Let's see if that'll get it. I gotta think positive. There it is. Okay. I'll show you this. Now, the song was written by Edwin Birdsong when he was courting me. I was so impressed. I said, they wrote a song that's me. What's happening? I didn't even click on it, but it's playing. So. I said, the Beatles wrote a song, Michelle, and he said, everything's been done but the way you do it. So he wrote the song the way he felt it. Sounds so sweet and sincere. See my fro? The American Indian in me. From the album Supernatural, the song is. I think he won a Grammy twice, not 4 times. There it is. There's my fro.
That's why
I love you. You're not here to me.
I don't know what to do.
We had a fight. We made up. I was really crazy about him then. And he was obviously crazy about me. Roy Ayers is taking those pictures.
She come running oh so fast.
When I love, I love.
And she knows when she get that.
What it is in Supernatural, the albums.
I swear that
She knows.
yes, she knows. Hey, she knows what to do. And she can always feel that pain. When there's desire, feel the fire. I said, Michelle, when I call out her name.
Okay, that's I'm going to there's more to it, but if you want to see the video, you can go to the Michelle Birdsong channel. I love you, Michelle. I love you, Michelle. Yeah, baby's the name of it. Okay, so let's see how long I've been. 17 minutes. That's long enough. Okay, I'm going to end the video now. I was going to read this video notes, David Icke live at the Oxford Union, but I've already spent 17 minutes, so I'll make another video to tell you about that one. Alright, so long.